show to her, doctor's fees and the prices are still gonna be the same.
Doctor's fees will be, except for the part that they pay on insurance. I mean, what they pay on the insurance is definitely less. The problem is that the other things that go on in medicine, the tests that don't need to be ordered, those sort of things are what's driving the cost. People doing,
That's what I
surgery.
mean, the effects of it are still with the insurance companies. They ain't gonna let go of that income until they're forced to.
Look, there are other problems with insurance companies that have nothing to do with tort reform that we don't deal with. All we're dealing with is the amount, the forms we did, the amount that the individual doctors are having to pay out of pocket to the insurance companies. The other things that the insurance companies do, that's different speech, different speaker. Yes.
Is there anything thought about the people that are known to both insurance companies and the court? Bob brings 5 cases a year before us for just under the mark of $5,000, where the insurance company turns around and says, I'd rather pay Bob the 5 than to waste the lawyer's time to prove him wrong.
The insurance company that I worked for Texas Farm Bureau when I was a baby lawyer and doing car wreck cases. We knew who those folks were, and when those folks showed up, we didn't settle those cases. Now, other maybe other insurance companies might go ahead and
But what about the courts or a law that says, once a guy, I hate to say it, you're entitled to 10 court cases a year for under $5,000.
Honestly, that's the type of thing. Let the litigants, if you're talking about an insurance company, I mean, look, they pay lawyers all day long. Let them figure it out. They police this themselves.
Well, they figured it out. They turned around and tell her, well, I'm sorry, we're paying the guy off. We're raising your fee $10.
Yeah.
That's how they figured it out.
Well, I guess the point is, sometimes that happens. Other times, I represented, at times they would say to me, we will never pay one dime to this guy because we've seen this guy before.
Yeah,
and we've
seen
him. Yeah, and we've seen this lawyer before. And we will spend any amount necessary to pay because we will not pay. We had another client that would never settle a case, no matter how much they had to pay on insurance, on attorney's fees, if they thought they were in the right. If, the case would come in, they would kind of never a penny in tribute type thing. They didn't matter. There are still companies who operate under that principle.